Welcome to our channel today. We are here to talk about ChatGPT, an artificial intelligence platform for conversational interactions. Did you know that it can help you with automating conversations and bots? Here are 5 facts about ChatGPT you may not have heard yet. Fact 1. ChatGPT allows you to build a chatbot in 5 steps. You can create a custom bot with its easy to use graphical user interface and NLP capabilities. You can customize the responses of your chatbot for different conversations, whether it's launching a survey, carrying out surveys and interviews, or responding to customer service queries. ChatGPT makes it easy to get answers you need. With its perfect conversational AI functionality, you can automate our complex conversations and interactions without the need for human intervention. This makes it a great tool for automating customer service processes and improving customer experiences. Fact 4. ChatGPT also offers analytics and insights into conversations, giving you valuable insights that can help you improve customer engagement and understand customer behaviors. Fact 5. With its integration capabilities, you can integrate ChatGPT with other technologies such as Slack and CRM systems to make it even more powerful. There are some of the amazing features of ChatGPT. Whether your business you're looking to automate conversations or individual looking for a powerful chatbot platform, ChatGPT is a great choice. Watch our full video to learn about ChatGPT, how it can help you better engage with customers and improve customer experiences. Thanks for watching.